You, smiling and ready to dive into the topic. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how you can make money with just your phone, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best trading apps you can use to start earning and building wealth. Right now, whether you're into stocks, crypto, or Forex, this video's got you covered. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Introduction to Trading Apps. 016. 1 Small. Switch to a more informative tone. Before we jump into the apps themselves, let's quickly talk about why trading apps are a game changer for your finances. The beauty of trading apps is that you can invest or trade anytime, anywhere. Gone are the days of sitting in front of a computer screen. With these apps, you can track the market, place trades, and even learn new strategies, all from the palm of your hand. Cut to a phone screen showing a trading app interface, whether you're on the go, at lunch, or just relaxing at home. These apps put the power of the market right at your fingertips. Segment 2. Top Trading Apps. 101. 3 hours. Upbeat, quick-paced. Alright, let's talk about the top trading apps you should be using. First up, Robinhood. Robinhood is one of the most popular apps for beginners. It's known for commission-free trades and a super simple interface. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and even crypto. Plus, they offer fractional shares, so you don't need to break the bank to invest in high-priced stocks like Tesla or Amazon. Cut to a screen recording of Robinhood in action. Easy to use, no hidden fees, and great for people just starting out. Webull. Next up, we have Webull. This one's great for people who want a bit more detail. The app gives you tons of technical indicators, real-time market data, and advanced charting tools. It's perfect if you want to take your trading to the next level. Webull also offers commission-free trading on stocks, options, and ETFs. Show Webull's charting interface and tools. Whether you're a beginner or you're more experienced, Webull has something for you. Coinbase. If you're into crypto, you need to check out Coinbase. It's one of the most trusted platforms for buying and selling Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. The app is super beginner-friendly, and they have some cool educational resources to help you get up to speed on crypto basics. Cut to Coinbase app, showing crypto trading options. Plus, they even have a rewards program where you can earn crypto while you learn. How cool is that? Segment 3. Tips for Successful Trading. 301. 4am. Friendly and helpful tone. Okay, now that we've covered some apps, let's talk strategy. Here are a few tips to help you make money with these apps. Start small. Don't throw all your money in at once. Start small, learn the ropes, and get comfortable before you start making bigger moves. Stay informed. The markets are always changing. Make sure you're following financial news, watching market trends, and using the tools these apps offer to make informed decisions. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different assets like stocks, crypto, and ETFs to spread out your risk. Be patient. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick thing. It's about steady growth. So don't expect to make a fortune overnight. Patience and smart decisions are key. Segment 4. Conclusion. 401. 4.30. Excited and motivating. So there you have it. The best trading apps that can help you make money today. Whether you're looking to trade stocks, dive into the world of crypto, or just start learning, these apps give you the tools you need to succeed. Smiling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below, letting me know which app you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. Outro 431, 440. Upbeat music fades in again. Catch you in the next video. Peace.